Hi, and welcome to lgdelivers.com. Today I wanted to share some tips and tricks on how you can edit your listing to get the best information available to the community. So let's go ahead and get started. The first thing I wanted to do is just take a look at an example listing here, and you'll notice several pieces of that. We have some text here that you can edit and describe your business. And on the side we have some contact details here, an address, a phone number, a website. We also have opening hours. You'll notice if I click this button here, I only have hours for one day, so I probably want to fix that. And then at the top we have a pin where the restaurant is, and I'm pretty sure the restaurant isn't in the middle of the train track, so we'll want to edit that. So if you want to edit that, the first thing you'll want to do is actually navigate up in the top, and if you're already logged into your account, it will say My Account. Go ahead and click on that. By clicking there, you'll get to your My Account screen, and what we're going to do now is we're going to edit a listing. So let's go to the My Listings page. All right, and from here I'll see some listings, and in this case my sample listing here, LG Delivers Sample Restaurant, I'm going to edit simply by clicking the Edit button right here. I can scroll down and I'll start to see a bunch of fields where I can edit some information. The first one here, this first box called Content, is really the text that sits right below your picture. So if you want to make a change to the text, feel free to just use the text editor and type in whatever you like. One question I get is, what about a menu? I would suggest doing something like CR online menu. I would actually type this in and then create a link. If you have an existing online ordering system like Grubhub or DoorDash, that's probably the easiest way, or even on your website. Just type in the text you want, highlight it, and then actually click this Insert Link. And when that comes up, you'll just type in whatever the right URL is for your particular restaurant. I'm just making this up, and then go ahead and click the blue button, and that will actually put in a hyperlink so users can actually click through. The next thing you may want to change is your location. If the location pin isn't quite right, what you'll do is just grab the little pin and you can drop it wherever your business is located, and that will change the pin on the map on the home page. So that's really easy to do. Regions here are villages, so we have LaGrange, Brookfield, Countryside, a few others as well, so feel free to do that. If you'd like to put in your price range, feel free to do that too. Again, not necessarily, but can be helpful. And here's working hours. This is one I want to go over, especially in the context of the current things that are going on. Make sure you do put in your hours that you're accepting orders. So the easy way is you can just type an 8, a 0, oops. Let's try that again, a 0. And then for AM or PM, you can just put in either type P or A. That's the easiest way to do it. So if I said, let's make this 8 AM, and just for fun, we'll say 5 o'clock PM, which is kind of an early closing time for a restaurant, but that's okay. You'll notice each day has 2 slots. That's really designed for if you have morning hours or lunch hours and evening hours. If you're only doing orders for one set of time a day, let's say 3 to 8, you would just type in 3 to 8. So in that case, we'll do 3 o'clock PM, and then I'll say maybe the kitchen in this case is open until 8 PM. And I just go through the rest of the time slots there. Contact information, I would really encourage you to put in at least your address and also your phone number at a minimum. And then finally, put in your website. So if your restaurant has a website, go ahead and type that in here. For the website, make sure you put in the http://. That's important to make sure your link works properly. There's some other options here that currently aren't displayed. Feel free to fill them in, but it might be a little bit too much work, so you may want to ignore the social channels for right now. And then I do want to spend some time talking about amenities. This is very important. If you're offering curbside pickup for your business, make sure to click this curbside pickup. If you are offering delivery, please click delivery. These things will show up on your profile page, and the other thing we'll be doing is creating a special page just for businesses that have curbside pickup. So make sure you click the right amenities there. That's very important. If you do want to change the feature image, you can do that down here just by clicking the Add Media link as well. When you're all done with that, what you'll do is go ahead and click the Submit button. That will save the changes. As soon as that goes through, I will get a message here that says your changes have been saved. If you want to review them, you can click on the My Listings again, and then go down to your link and then, or your listing, and you can click on the preview icon right here next to the edit, and that will take you directly to the listing. In this case, I'll scroll down and you'll see, for example, those new amenity tags are there, which is great. You can see my link is now available in the text. My contact details are there. If I expand my opening hours, I now see the additional opening hours as well. So there's a lot of things you can do here to make it more convenient for your customers to find out your open hours and what's going on with your business. I hope that helps. I hope that gives you some idea on how to edit your listing. I want to say thanks for visiting, and I hope we'll see you again soon.